Okay, this is a very cool space here that we're checking out. Everything here handmade, right?
Yes.
It's a handmade studio.
All independent artists, and as well as like art supplies and just different homemade things you can craft with it or take it home and hang it on your wall.
I love it. Now, Corinne, you are an artist in so many different ways, right? Mm-hmm. I love it. I love it. Tell me what you're working on right now.
I am finishing up some ornaments. I do pet ornaments every year, so I'm working on...
I do something like that too. I have two Bajans.
Oh, do you?
I do, and
Yes.
they're so cute. I love having stuff like this too. This space is really creative. It's all about being creative in this space. You have different kinds of workshops that you offer. Tell us more about that.
Yes. So we love very hands-on workshops. We do things that don't take a lot of skill. It's not intimidating.
Okay, that's good for me because
Yes.
I like to think I'm creative, but I really am not very good at it.
Yeah, a lot of people are very intimidated, and I don't want that. I want it to be easy and fun, and you like take home something you're proud of.
Good. I love that. What are some of the different kinds of artwork there that people can experience here?
We love printmaking here. We have a lot of prints, so that's like carving into either linoleum or wood. We do lots of like painting, or there's cyanotype that we like to do, which is like a sun print where you like paint chemistry onto paper and you leave it.
Do you
in
have
the
examples
sun.
of that?
Yes,
Can we check it
actually,
out?
straight right
Okay,
here.
come show me this because I need to see it to understand it.
Yeah, so this is just an imprint of like foliage of some sort. You paint this like chemistry, it's yellow when you're inside, and then you leave it in the sun, it starts to turn a deep blue.
Really?
So this
Chemistry background? Is that how you figured that out?
no,
You're
like
just an artist.
it's like a $12 kids science kit. It's very easy.
This is very cool. I love it.
Yeah, so lots of things that like you just need to learn the process. It doesn't take a lot of skill, and it's not super intimidating,
Okay.
but it ends with a cool product.
So during the week, are you here so people can access this and you can kind of help explain easy things like
Yes,
this?
absolutely, absolutely.
Okay, good. Okay, what else do we have over here? This is really cool.
Yeah, thanks. I like to get unique art things. I was a high school art teacher, so I've experimented with a lot of different mediums.
Okay.
Yeah, so I just found products that I thought were unique and I hadn't seen before. So like we've got watercolor pencils here that you just get the drawing wet and it starts to have that watercolor effect.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
And these are some of the prints up here too. Is that one?
Yeah, yep. My husband Ben made this one.
Oh, very cool. And this stuff you can purchase while you're
Yes,
here too. Okay,
absolutely.
great.
Yeah, yep. And then he does custom framing as well, so he made the frames on the wall.
Really?
Yeah.
It's like an all-in-one shop. So like gift giving here?
Yes, absolutely.
I love that too.
Yeah.
Okay, let's talk about this space over here.
Yeah.
This is cool. What is this called?
So this is printmaking. This is linoleum, so lino cut.
Okay.
And this is a print that I did. So it's like a rubber linoleum, and you carve
So
into
you
it.
carve it itself.
Yeah, yep. And then use ink, and basically it's a big stamp.
So you could make like Christmas cards or something
Yes,
if you wanted to
absolutely.
really make them homemade.
Yes, yeah, absolutely.
Or maybe some birthday cards.
Which is nice about printmaking. You can just keep printing like hundreds of cards then.
That's
Once
really
you have
cool.
it, you have it.
Awesome. Now, how can people get signed up for any of your workshops and learn more about what you're doing?
Yeah, absolutely. We have a website, which I can get a business card, and that has our schedule, but you can also give us a call if you've got, if you want to do a one-on-one, or if you have a bigger group that you want to come in.
Okay, so if I wanted to bring maybe like a group of girlfriends here for a ladies' night out,
absolutely.
we could do something.
Yeah,
What are
absolutely.
some of the options that you have for those workshops?
So we do lino cut. That's a very fun one, and I think stamps turn out cool no matter like your skill level. And then we do the cyanotype classes. We've done needle felting, so that's where you like, it's very therapeutic. You just stab felt over and over again.
Or my fingers,
Yes.
usually.
Yeah, sometimes there's. And let's see, yeah, we have a whole list that you can come and pick from.
Great.
Yeah, we do. Between my husband and I, we've just have a lot of interest, so we have a lot of different classes to offer.
Now, I know you guys have this phenomenal space here too, but you're also a bigger collaborator too because you guys do photography as well.
Yeah, yep. Full-time wedding photographer. I've been in the business since 2018, doing about 20-something weddings a year, so
Oh my
I'm well
gosh.
versed in the wedding industry.
That keeps you very busy, I'm
Yes.
sure. So
Yeah.
if somebody wanted to have their wedding here, you could potentially be their photographer for that too, or even not
Absolutely.
here.
And I know a lot of, there's so many cool styles out there, so
Yeah.
I know lots of friends in the industry that have just a lot of talent and like have different styles to their work. So
Sure,
I know a lot of people that could be, linked up here with whoever, like whatever your style is.
Awesome, awesome. Very cool.
Yeah.
Well, thanks so much for having a space
Yeah.
like this here in Three Oaks. This is really cool.
Thanks.
Thanks.